Mrs. Enero and Ate Ellie. Today we are going to unbox something from Jack and Jill Treats. Yay! Thank you, Jack and Jill. So we were going to open it. Ate Ellie, come on, let's open it. Wow! Wow! Okay, so
Wow, it's a strawberry!
this is strawberry. It's our favorite. Fill school days with magic moments with Magic Junior. Have a magical day. It's from our Magic Jack and Jill Magic. So this is a lunch bag. It's a lunch bag, so let's open it.
And
Oh, that's your favorite. Okay, we're going to put your baon here. It's a lunch bag from Magic. And what's this? It's a Magic Junior. And
Junior. And kasi, tapos, kakain talaga siya.
pagkain talaga siya. It's your favorite baon, right? So,
Yeah.
it's a Magic Junior. We have condensada cream cracker sandwich. We also have chocolate. This is my favorite, chocolate.
And my favorite pink.
Yes, this is the plain one. It's a premium cracker. It has no
Oh,
filling.
ito.
This is also your favorite. Okay, and we also have, butter flavored cream sandwich. Masarap din to. Yes, it's flavored cream. So, this box is full of Magic Junior Premium Crackers. Thank you so much, Jack and Jill, for sending this to us.